Good morning, children. Today we will discuss graph of the polynomial. What is that? Graph of the polynomial. It's a very interesting topic and we can find number of zeros. What is the shape of the polynomial? Everything you can find out from this concept. Okay? Now, first we will discuss about linear polynomial because degree is 1. Okay? If degree is 1, then it is called linear polynomial. Okay, some example, y is equal to x plus 4. Anything you can write with x power something. Now, if x and y values I am taking separately, I told you, graph of the polynomial. Already in 9th class you learned this graph. Right? Good. Now, I am taking x is equal to 1. Y value 1 plus 4. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1 plus 4. That is 5. So, ordered pair is 1 comma 5. If x value is minus 2, it's your wish, any value you can take. If x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2 plus 4. 2. Okay, so minus 2 comma 2. I am taking x value is some 3. Then y is equal to 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, so on. You can take any 3 different values of your wish and you can take any of your own example. Now, I am drawing the graph of this. Okay, this is x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. Okay, I am taking the scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now I am locating the points 1 comma 5. 1 and 5. Next step. Minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 comma 2. Next 3 comma 7. 3 comma 7. Now I am joining these 2 points. Now what it came? Good. Straight line. So graph of linear polynomial. Graph of linear polynomial is, come on, straight line. What is graph of linear polynomial? Straight line. Okay. Now, the graph, this line, the straight line L, at how many points it is intersecting on x-axis? Okay, the line at how many points it is intersecting? How many points? 1 point. This is known as number of zeros. Number of zeros. 1. What are the zeros? Okay, zeros. What are the zeros? Where it is intersecting? Minus 4. At minus 4, it is intersecting. We will verify what is the line equation. Y is equal to x plus 4. So, at x is equal to minus 4, substitute. At x is equal to minus 4. Y value is 0. That means, if you take x is minus 4, y value is becoming 0. What is this coordinate name? Suppose if I am taking point A, minus 4 comma 0. Minus 4 comma 0. So this is algebraic question and this is graphical notation. Okay. So graph of linear polynomial is straight line. So a straight line at how many points? At most at how many points it will intersect the x-axis? 1. So number of zeros of straight line is 1. And degree of linear polynomial is 1. So degree is 1. So number of zeros is equal to 1. So degree of the polynomial indicates number of zeros of the polynomial. So degree is 1, number of zeros are 1. What is that 0? What value will make the polynomial 0? That is minus 4. We verified this one also. So you learned about a linear polynomial now. Okay? What is the first point? Graph of the linear polynomial is straight line. Come on, note down point number 1. Graph of the linear polynomial, straight line. Degree of the linear polynomial 1. Number of zeros of the linear polynomial 1. And you should write what is that 0 of the polynomial. Okay, total 4 points are there. Come again, what is the first point? Graph of the linear polynomial. What is the answer? Straight line. Next, what is the degree of the linear polynomial? 1. What is the third one? Number of zeros. How many zeros are there? 1. That is, number of zeros is equal to degree of the polynomial. Okay, and the next one is, come on, what is the 0 of the polynomial? What is the 0 of the polynomial? In this case, that is minus 4. Okay, we will discuss about degree is 2. If degree is 2, then it is known as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Some one example, degree of that is quadratic polynomial example. Y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, 6, 1 6 are 6. Factorization I am doing. 2 3s are 6. Here minus 5 is there. Minus 2 minus 3. Minus into minus it will become plus. Come on. Now y is equal to, first I will factorize. Then I will go with the graph. Y is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6. And taking this polynomial, when it will become 0. X common, x minus 2, minus 3 common, x minus 3. So x minus 2 into x minus 3. Okay, that means x minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 2. X minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 3. So, if you take x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 2, then the value of y will become 0. We'll see. Okay? X, y, x comma y. X, y, x comma y. I am taking x is equal to 1. Y is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. If x is equal to 1. Okay? If x is equal to 1. I am taking x is equal to 1. Substitute here 1 square 5 into 1 plus 6. So 1 minus 5 plus 6. That is 1 plus 6, 7, 7 minus 5, 2. Y value is 2, 1 comma. I am taking x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 2 square 5 into 2 plus 6. 2 square 4 minus 10 plus 6. Now 4 minus 10 minus 6 plus 6 will become 0. If I am taking x is equal to 2, how much y value I got? 0. 2 comma 0. X is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 square 5 into 3 plus 6. 9 minus 15 plus 6. 9 plus 6, 15, 15 minus 15, 0. X is equal to 3, 0. So, the point is 3 comma 0. All positive numbers. I'll take some negative numbers also. X is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 whole square. 5 into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 whole square. 4. 5 2s are 10 plus 6. 20. It is 20. Minus 2 comma 20. Now, so for this x and y values, I should draw the graph now. Okay, already this simplification, calculation part you know very well. Alright? Now, I am taking x-axis and y-axis. I am locating the points. X values are 1, 2, 3, minus 2. That is directly 1, 2, 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Where y values are 2, 0, 0, 20. Okay? I am taking the scale is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Minus 2, minus 4, some minuses. Now I am locating the points 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay? Next, 2 comma 0. Where will come 2 comma 0? 3 comma 0. 3 comma 0. Minus 2 comma 20. Minus 2 comma 20. Okay? Like this, minus 2 comma 20. I'll take 4 also. Okay? I'll take 4 also. Then the shape of the graph will come very clear. Now, if x is equal to 4, 4 square minus 5 into 4 plus 16 minus 20 plus 6. 16 minus 20 minus 4 plus 6. 2. Okay? So then it is 2. 4 comma. Now, 4 comma 2. Now, 2 points join at a time with free hand. It will go like this. So, what is the shape of this? Suppose if I extend like this. What is the shape of this? Parabola. What is the shape? Parabola. So, graph of quadratic polynomial shape is parabola. At how many points it is intersecting? Okay, number of zeros. Number of zeros is 2. What is this equation? Quadratic polynomial. What is the degree? Degree of the parabola. Okay, degree of the equation is 2. The number of zeros are 2. What are the zeros? Zeros are, okay, that means here what is this point name? 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0. If you take x is equal to 2, then y value becomes 0. If you take x is equal to 3, then y value will become 0. So zeros are 2 comma 3. Okay, so 4 points we can discuss here. What is that? Degree is 2. Then what is this? Quadratic polynomial. What is the graph of quadratic polynomial? Parabola. At how many zeros it will exist? At most 2 zeros. And what are the zeros? Where the curve intersecting on x-axis is called zeros of the polynomial. It has 2 zeros. Here I use the word number of zeros are at most 2. Why? Okay, I'll explain. Let us take one more example. Y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 4. Okay, x square minus 4x plus 4. I'll take graph for this. Okay, x, y, x comma y. First I will take graph, then I will factorize. Then you will come to know why I was doing like this. If x is equal to 1, if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 4. 1 square is 1, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 minus 4, 1. 1, 1, 1, comma 1. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 square, 4 into 2 plus 4. 2 square, 4, 4 2s are 8 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8, 8 minus 8, 0. Next, if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 square, 4 into 3 plus 4. 3 square value is 9, 4 3s are 12 plus 4. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus 12, 1. Okay? If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, 2 comma 0. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1, 3 comma 1. I'll take one negative value, x is equal to minus 1. If x is equal to minus 1, minus 1 square, 4 into minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 square plus 1, minus into minus, 4 plus 4. So total is 9. Minus 1 comma 9. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some minus 1. First point, 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1. 2 comma 0. Here it is 2 comma 0. 3 comma 1. 3 comma 1. Minus 1 comma 9. Minus 1 comma 9. Join 2 points at a time with free hand. Okay, what is the shape now? What is degree of the polynomial? 2. Graph is parabola. Graph is parabola. Number of zeros. What is meant by number of zeros? Where the graph intersect the x-axis. At how many distinct points it is intersecting? At how many distinct points it is intersecting? 1. So number of zeros is 1. What are the zeros? Okay, zeros. That is 2. 2 comma 0. Alpha is equal to 2. If degree is 2, number of zeros also should come 2 zeros. Why it came only 1 zero? That's why previously I used a word that is at most 2 zeros. At most 2 zeros means it will exist 2 zeros, 1 0, 0 also. It may not exist the zeros. How it is possible? I am explaining. I am taking x square minus 4x plus 4. I am doing factorization now. 4, 2 2s are 4, minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. X comma x minus 2, x minus 2. So x minus 2 into x minus 2. So x minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 2. Again x minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 2. Of course here it exists 2 zeros. But you can see both these zeros are same, equal zeros. Okay, it exists 2 zeros, but both are equal. Both the zeros are equal. So that's why the graph is intersecting at 2. At 2 only, because both the zeros are same. So of course this parabola is also having 2 zeros, but both are equal number of zeros. Okay, and 0. Number of zeros are 0. So the graph is not intersecting at x-axis. Means if the parabola is going like this, okay, it is not intersecting the x-axis. That means this parabola, okay, degree is 2 only. Graph is parabola only. Number of zeros. is 0 because the parabola is not intersecting at x-axis. That means this quadratic polynomial does not exist the real zeros. What is that? Real zeros. Zeros are not real numbers. They are complex numbers. What is meant by complex number? Root 4. Root 4 value is 2. Root of minus 4. Can I write minus 1 into 4? Till 9th class, what you will learn? Root of minus 4 does not exist. In which way? We cannot express root of minus 4 in real numbers. Then, can we write minus 4 is minus 1 into 4 by using surds, that is law of radicals, and separating. Both the roots are separating. Then it is root of minus 1 into 2. This root of minus 1 is called I. I means iota. It is a complex number. So we can express the negative numbers, square root of negative numbers, we can express in complex numbers. Okay, it will come in our intermediate. That means here this graph, this parabola graph does not exist the real number of zeros, real zeros. So it has complex zeros. That's why in real number system it does not have any zeros. Okay, so ultimately the graph of quadratic polynomial is parabola. Number of zeros at most 2. Okay, what is number of zeros? The graph, how many times it is intersecting on x-axis is called number of zeros. Okay, if degree is 3, degree is 3, then what is this? Cubic polynomial. Okay, so number of zeros, 3, at most 3. Good. What is that? At most 3. So it has at most 3 zeros. And the graph is, shape of the graph is just curve. More than degree 3, all are curves only. That means on x-axis and y-axis on a Cartesian plane, the graph will exits like this. Okay, suppose if y is equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x plus 6. You take x values. Okay, x values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 1. You try x and y, x comma y, and draw the graph. You will find the graph like this. Okay, at how many points it is intersecting? 1, 2, 3. So now it is the shape of the graph is curve. Okay, if degree is 3, cubic polynomial, number of zeros are 3. What are the zeros here? Suppose if it is minus 1, it is 1, 2. So what are the zeros? Minus 1, 1, 2. Zeros are minus 1 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, if it is fourth order polynomial, that is biquadratic polynomial, then the graph 1, 2, 3, 4. At 4 times it is intersect. Okay, number of zeros. Number of zeros 4. So degree is 4. What is the polynomial? Biquadratic polynomial. What are the zeros? Suppose if it is minus 1, 1, 2, 3. Then zeros are minus 1 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. These are the zeros. Like this, you should write the what you should write. What are number of zeros? What is degree of the polynomial? So what type of polynomial it is and what are the zeros? Okay, and briefly, if degree is 1, linear polynomial, graph is straight line, number of zeros 1. If degree is 2, quadratic polynomial, graph is parabola, number of zeros at most 2. Okay, and the next one is degree is 3, cubic polynomial, graph is curve, number of zeros 3. And degree is 4, biquadratic polynomial. Graph is curve. Okay, and number of zeros 3, and number of zeros is equal to degree of the polynomial. And how to find out number of zeros and what are the zeros? Where the curve intersecting on x-axis. That is called number of zero. That is the zero of the polynomial. What is meant by zero of the polynomial? If you take the value, suppose here, what are the zeros? Okay, for this equation, imagine for the equation 1, 2, 3 are the zeros. If you take instead of x plus 1, then this y value will become 0. If you take x plus 2, then the y value will become 0. If you take instead of x plus 3, then the y value will become 0. Other than these 3, if you take any other numbers, 4, 5, minus 1, 0, infinite numbers are there. Okay, among these infinite numbers, only these 3 values will make the polynomial 0. Other numbers, okay, cannot make the y value 0. So the polynomial becomes 0 at 1, 2, 3. Okay, the polynomial is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x 0 at x is equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the graph of polynomials concept.